All right, traders, George here, and time for an update on gold, a continuation of what I showed you last week on the 7th. Just a handful of days later, we've moved over $24 in favor from that trade setup. So that's $2,400 per contract, maximum favorable excursion if you happen to be long just one contract there. Not too bad. We're currently up just a little less than $20 from when I did the last video. Where we are right now is we're starting to really drive into this balance beam here at about 1232s. That's around where this resistance swing came in on the first corrective impulse. Pull back, reverse trendline touch, crossover 12s, balance beam. Nice looking long signal there. We're up to this main first target zone right now. If we fade from here, watch for 1216 to hold as support at the maximum, if not a little bit higher here. But if 1216 goes, we're likely going back to 1200. So 1216 would be a negative breach to the downside. If the bulls can keep any fades contained to about 1225, that would be the strongest scenario. It's not giving anything up. A continuation of price past this last swing high here at 1232s would give price the go-ahead to do a one-to-one harmonic up. It just so happens that targets 1272.20, i.e. 1.272, the square root of 1.618 as a price point. It's at the floor of this very heavily traded zone here, and that starts about a 10-point range where this secondary target should be respected on the way up, whether you're pushing stops up or you have a resting order. 1272 starts the party there up until about 1282, and then look out, we got a real strong spike above there. This is the first new biggest test for gold right now, is to get over this 1240 level here. 1243, an old forecasted point, been resonating like crazy for quite a bit of gold's action over the last year, and we just broke to new lows here in November. The bulls are trying real hard to recover the round number 1200. They've done that. Now they're getting to the spot where there's the most trading commitment north of where price has made new structure lows. This is the first area, and we've stalled right there. So the bulls need to get this thing going sooner than later. Any pullbacks below these levels will likely trigger a move to the next level below. All right, and then we'll respect this 10-point range here if we are able to clear this level. So a good follow through from what I showed you last week. That's a $2,400 max favorable on one contract there, gang. And also correlating to the GDX and NUGT gold miner ETFs, gold miners as well, starting to show more buy-side interest. Still an aggressive market to play to the long side, but this is the challenge here, and it's why we don't go in whole hog to bottom feed candidates. They need to have their respective place in your overall portfolio. But right now, looking good for gold to continue long. We'll be on top of this in the live room. Use the link at the bottom of the page there so you can hop in there. You can see me day trade gold and oil, the equity futures, as well as go through a lot of key stocks and option ideas on a higher time frame. That will do it for now. We'll see you back in the live room.